Hey there, it's Nicole. Do you have things or areas in your home you know you should clean, but you just procrastinate? If so, same. I've got a major case of cabin fever, so today I'm getting a head start on my spring cleaning, and this year I'm going to start on the 6 things I usually avoid like the plague. So after I make my drink, let's get started. Let's start with the grossest thing in the kitchen, the dishwasher filter. And as I suspected, this thing is disgusting. I mean, look at this thing. I clean this maybe twice a year and it shows. I just don't think to clean it. The thing is, the more you clean it, the better your dishwasher can do its job. Now moving on to wall vents. It's looking like it's about time I have the air ducts cleaned, but until then, giving the vents a good scrub will instantly make my home look cleaner. To do it right though, I have to dig out my drill and a screwdriver and take the vents off the wall. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt, but after it's done, it's so worth it. The quickest way to make any room look cleaner and brighter? Shiny, clean light fixtures. But to do that right, I'll need to take them apart, wash them in hot soapy water, and towel dry. It's a bit tedious, but looks great when it's done. Where I live, we have very hard water, and over time, minerals build up at the end of my faucets. You don't notice it at first, but if you look really close, it's pretty gross. I put it off because it's not easy to clean. As well as Lime Away works, you really have to scrub to get those green deposits off. This time, that didn't even work. I had to finally spray the Lime Away on, cover it with a plastic bag, and let it sit for 30 minutes before it would budge. Ceiling fans aren't hard to clean, but I avoid them for two reasons. One, this short girl has to go get the step stool, and two, it gets my allergies going. How do these things get so dusty anyway? It probably goes back to the fact that I need to have the air ducts cleaned. Ugh, so much dust, and a good vacuum is always required afterwards, which always gets Zulu going. And last but definitely least is my number one least favorite thing to clean in the entire house, the blinds. Not only are they in every room, but they're just a pain in the butt. These are the blinds in my living room, and because my house is an open concept, over time, a very thin layer of grease from the kitchen accumulates. Yeah, it's gross. And you wouldn't think so because it's pretty far away from the kitchen, but you know, a simple dusting won't do the trick. It's a vicious cycle. It's hard to clean, so I don't, and then it just gets harder to clean as time passes. I'm going to be here for a while. Check on me later. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe so we can spend more time together making our corners of the world a little prettier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.